Let's talk about community come up. Practice group economics. Buy houses that are in foreclosure. Set them up as community vocational hubs. Let's get into it. Turn a community vocational hub into a carpentry, plumbing, electrician, and construction hub. The purpose? The purpose of vocational training is to prepare for a certain trade or craft. Like I said, decades ago, the term was used to refer to trade in welding and automotive service. But now it can range from trades in retail to tourism management. The relationship between these particular trades allows you to house them under the same roof and offer multiple skill sets to each student. The advantage: vocational training focuses on essential skills and hands-on practical training and knowledge for a career at less than half the cost of going to college. The instructor to student ratio is small, which allows the student one-on-one attention from the instructor. Most vocational training is in high demand, and depending on your vocation, you can complete your training in months. In fact, vocational training provides hands-on real-world training in the vocation of your choice, which means you will be ready for real-world related work. Vocational training provides you with skills that will avail you with a good income, an opportunity to gain financial prosperity, and a chance at career security and advancement. The idea in obtaining technical training is not for the purpose of looking for a job. This is an opportunity for you to start your own business or group up and practice group economics in a business venture. Carpenters create walls, floors, and structures with wood, but may also complete other construction tasks such as installing drywall or cabinets. Some carpenters specialize in erecting scaffolding for bridges and other structures. With experience, carpenters can seek opportunities to advance to supervisory roles in construction. Although certification is required for this career, earning certifications may prepare carpenters to specialize in a specific area such as remodeling. Physical fitness is important because their work involves carrying materials and equipment and standing for long periods of time. While some carpenters may have their own business, many work for contractors or construction companies. It's common for carpenters to work evening and weekends. Responsibilities of a carpenter includes measuring materials, cutting and fastening materials, interpreting technical drawings, repairing damaged structures, using power tools, and overseeing apprentices. Plumbers install plumbing systems and ensure they are working correctly. Plumbers need to have strong troubleshooting skills so that they can identify plumbing and pipe issues and figure out the best solution. They have to carry and hold equipment regularly, so they need to be physically fit. They also must be capable of working in small confined spaces. It's most common for plumbers to work for plumbing businesses, although some may have their own business or work in manufacturing. Working during the evenings and weekends is common, and plumbers may also be on call to respond to emergencies. At the master level, a plumber may draft plumbing systems into building blueprints for use by other construction specialists, and supervisors. Responsibilities of a plumber includes installing pipes into new buildings, replacing damaged pipes, maintaining septic tanks, reviewing building plans and codes, welding pipes, and monitoring apprentices and delegating tasks. Electricians focus on electrical systems and do things like running wire throughout houses and installing lights and switches. Crawling and climbing are both commonly required in order to access electrical systems. So electricians need to be physically fit and capable of performing these tasks. They also need the strength to be able to carry supplies and equipment. Endurance is needed to work long hours since it's common for electricians to work during the day and evening, as well as on weekends. Most electricians are employed by electrical contractors, although some work for factories. Responsibilities of an electrician includes identifying reasons why electrical systems aren't working properly, repairing electrical systems, creating a design plan for electrical systems, interpreting wiring diagrams and blueprints, testing electrical systems with devices like voltmeters, operating various tools like wire strippers and conduit benders. Construction workers. The task of construction workers change daily depending on the construction site, the status of the project, and whether or not the laborer is a helper for a specific construction trade. Generally, construction workers handle physical labor tasks and help tradesmen with tasks as directed. With specializing training, they may qualify to operate certain types of construction machinery, direct traffic, or remove hazardous materials. Construction workers typically work for contractors or construction companies. Over time, work is common for construction workers. Since they routinely work outside, their schedule can be affected by weather and they may work long days to make up for delays due to rain or snow. They must be physically strong and capable of lifting heavy equipment and supplies. They also need the stamina to perform physically demanding tasks for several hours each day. Responsibilities of a construction worker includes ensuring work sites are clean and that hazards are removed, assembling scaffolding, operating equipment such as jackhammers, digging or filling holes and trenches, and moving building supplies. If you don't have a hobby, find a craft that you like. There are a host of crafts available to you. Find out who needs what you produce with your craft. There's always a need. Sometimes people don't know what they need until you bring it to them. Become an expert in your craft by learning everything about it. The more you know about your craft, the better you can exploit it.